Welcome to the assembly instruction video for the Delta, manufactured by Toysphere. Box includes main body, handle, rear wheels, backrest, complete fort, rear wheel cap, charger, hardware, axle. Insert the rear axle through the main body as shown. Install both rear wheels onto the axle from either side as shown. Securely tighten the nuts on both sides of the axle using the spanner. Properly lock the rear wheel cap into place as shown. Insert the complete fork into the main body. Carefully press the handlebar assembly onto the iron pipe and spring mechanism. Use a screwdriver to tighten the machine screw and nut into the designated hole on the handlebar assembly. Position the backrest unit with the slot provided on the rear section of the main body. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fastener located on the seat. Carefully connect the connectors to the corresponding battery terminals. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screw completely to ensure the seat is secure. Charging point. Now this Delta is ready for your baby to use.